Hi everyone, this is Karen with another Neville to Another Level nugget. I've mentioned before that you go through a desert at times to your desired result. Never give up. Always persist. Stay in the state of the wish fulfilled. Then all of a sudden the heavens rain down on you and you seem to be in a flood. You've got to breathe. You can handle it all. And I'm in a flood right now. So it's like, oh my God, every time I look, there's something more. But it's good. It's all good. Yes, floods come. You can handle it.